Hey, I'm Josh, and this is the 83 Compound. So we are out here filming with the RM ATV MC-WPS-KTM team, and this place is quite spectacular. So if you're familiar with it at all, Mark McKenzie actually just bought it 2 years ago from Chad Reed. So this is formerly Chad Reed's place, and he has turned it into quite the spectacular facility. So what's cool about this facility is that it's a limited number of riders. You've got Cooper Webb out here, you got the Lawrence brothers, Justin Bogle's out here, we've got a few amateur racers, as well as the entire RM ATV MC team. So it's pretty crazy out here. Right now we are standing on one of the Supercross tracks. There's two full Supercross tracks out here. This one has got some pretty gnarly obstacles. It's got the doghouse for them to practice starts. We've got this one right down on the other side. It's got sand section, and it's a little bit different material of dirt. And then you've got the Pro National track in the background. They've also got a turn track as well as the go-kart track over on the side. And yeah, this place is quite the spectacle to behold. It's really pristine. All the jumps are pretty gnarly. It's big. It's well taken care of. And they've got a lot of amenities. So over here, we've got a couple different buildings and a couple different race shops. So these have got all they need for hookups, and it's just really well built. This one right here is for the KTM team. So this is for our Rocky Mountain ATV MC guys. We've got, I think they've got about 5 or 6 guys that are in there with their mechanics and their bays. And then they got the lower shop down here that's got the gym, as well as it's got KTM and the Honda boys that are down in there. They've got all their equipment down there, you know, water trucks, the whole deal. And this thing, it like I said, it's a spectacle to behold. Enjoy the footage, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Feeling like a puppet controlled by some strings. It's killing me 'cause I just can't say what I mean.